Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Assets Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more for you. So here you can see a daily chart of S&P 500 futures. So here you can see that how the level of 4183 was a tough resistance for S&P 500 futures. What the S&P 500 futures continued to beat this tough resistance level of 4183 since April 23rd, and finally the S&P 500 futures found a breakout move on April 29th, when the S&P 500 futures tested a high at the levels of 4211, but since then the S&P 500 futures remained under heavy bearish pressure, where you can see that on April 30th, we have seen a sharp sell-off in S&P 500 futures, which resulted in formation of this bearish candle in a daily time frame, which was followed by an exhaustive candle in a daily time frame on May 3rd, where this exhaustive candle got confirmation with a move on May 4th with a sharp downward move in the S&P 500 futures, where the S&P 500 futures have tested a low at the levels of 4120, but a sharp reversal was seen in the S&P 500 futures from these lows. But once again, the S&P 500 futures formed an exhaustive candle on May 5th, where it tested an high at the levels of 4180, but a sharp sell-off was there, which resulted in formation of an exhaustive candle on May 5th. Here you can see that how the S&P 500 futures found a sharp bouncing move from the levels of 4141 with announcement of strong job data, where I find that the majority of traders find the recent job data affects the changing economic dimensions, but the growing financial debts in order to provide financial stimulus seems to be a step towards the next recessionary phase, while the gold futures still showing strength that indicates a major breakout in gold futures amid growing weakness on the economic front all over the world. So here I find that undoubtedly the S&P 500 futures tried to test new high on May 7th, when the S&P 500 futures tested a high at the levels of 4232 and finally closed the week at the levels of 4225. So here you can see that during the last few hours we have seen some exhaustion here, which confirms that the S&P 500 futures could find extreme difficulty to sustain above the levels of 4220, where I find that a gap down opening below the levels of 4220 on the first trading session of the upcoming week could drag down the S&P 500 futures below the levels of 4192, but I find that during the upcoming week the S&P 500 futures could break the next two supporting levels, and the first one is 4183 and the next is at the levels of 4168. So here I find that if the S&P 500 futures start the upcoming week below the levels of 4217, we'll see a steep slide in the S&P 500 futures, which could push the S&P 500 futures to test new lows during the upcoming week, where the S&P 500 futures could break the major support at 4168 during the upcoming week, where the next support will be at the levels of 4154, where the S&P 500 futures could find some support here, but a breakdown below this level could push the S&P 500 futures to test new lows at the levels of 4101 during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that the weakness could grow in the S&P 500 futures, because here I find that this extraordinary bullish move pushed the S&P 500 futures in an overbought territory, where the immediate resistance is at the levels of 4232, which could provide an immediate resistance, and after that the level of 4242 will be the next resistance level for S&P 500 futures, where the S&P 500 futures could find a sharp sell-off from these levels. So friends, here I find that any upward move above the levels of 4232 will invite big bears to go short with a stop loss at 4242. So here I find that the S&P 500 futures could find a sharp slide from here, and a breakdown below the levels of 4204 will continue to push S&P 500 futures to test new lows during the upcoming week, where I find that the S&P 500 futures could even break the levels of 4120 during the upcoming week. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.